2004 Ford Focus. Fitting some exhaust pipe together. Need a tubing cutter, you get a Lowe's. Cut 2-inch pipe. Alright, Cabot. Two-inch connector, exhaust connectors. Alright, it's a crimp style. Alright, 2-inch. I'm gonna fit in the center collet converter. Alright. I'm using this cement for the seams when I'm connecting the pipe. And I'm using this on the flange. Be double gasket with a pipe ring. We got a 2-bolt. Alright, clean the pipe up. I'm getting ready to connect the pipe. I get a pair of gloves and start connecting the pipe. I'm just doing this part of maintenance. Everything is 2-inch. You get an advance order. Nicholson pipe and a connector. It's a 2-inch connector. Alright, it's a female on both ends. I'm inserting the 2-inch into this. Put a pair of gloves on and put the sealer in. So I'm gonna connect the connector first with a pipe, and then the center collet converter. I'm gonna put the sealer inside the pipe. Put it on both ends. So you won't have no leaks. Both ends of the connector. It's a female connector, 2-inch. Nice and thick. On both sides of the connector. Put it inside. So look, it's inside there. I'm going to insert a 2-inch pipe. Alright, you can get it at advance order. It comes in 18 inches. One side is already flat out, so you can insert a pipe into it. I'm going to insert a collet converter into this end. Alright, so I'm going to slide it in there. And I'm going to put on this end where the collet converter pipe goes into. Put sealer in there. Spread it around. Because you don't want no leaks. So you can get these gloves at Harbor Freight, disposable gloves, and spread it inside there with your finger inside of the fitting. Thing take 24 hours to dry. The cement takes 24 hours to dry. It's like doing plumbing work, exhaust pipe. It's like if you ever run conduit pipe, electrical work, same principle. Same principle. Alright, so I already got this lubed up with cement inside and the connector on both ends. Alright, so I'm going to insert it. It's in there. Alright. Get another pair of gloves. And I'm going to use the Ultra gasket on the flex pipe. Here's Advance Auto, AutoZone, any local auto supply store. So I'm using a pipe ring and gasket maker, double seal. Double seal. I don't like leaks. Okay. It's a good gasket maker for exhaust pipe. It's called Ultra Copper. Okay. Ultra Copper. And this will come off your hand if you don't use gloves. It will just peel right off of your hand if you don't have latex. You can get these gloves at, like I say, Harbor Freight. Alright. Harbor Freight. This is the pipe ring. Alright. Pipe ring is in the pipe. Put the pipe ring on there. And I'm going to insert this into the female side of the pipe. Pull along with one hand like that. Insert that in there. Just like that. Then I'm going to come up and connect this pipe to the flex. Make sure it's nice and the hose line up. So I'm going to give it a twist. Hold it by the hang and give it a twist. Line the hose up. Make sure that gasket sits in there. Got a pipe ring. Nice. Get my bolt. My nut. Another bolt. Pipe ring is in there. Another nut. I'm just doing this for people who doesn't know how to do exhaust pipe work. It's like doing plumbing. It's like electrical work. If you ever run conduit pipe for electrical, same thing. You use a tubing cutter to cut the pipe. Same principle. So I'm gonna just snug this up. Another thing to it, on this Ford Focus, you got 302 sensor on the catalytic converter integrated with the exhaust manifold. You got two on the catalytic converter. You got one in the center of the catalytic converter, one at near the number 1 cylinder on the very top, and one leaving the catalytic converter pipe onto the pipe where it connect with the flex pipe and the flange. And when you're doing maintenance, you always want to check them O2 sensor with your hand. Make sure the car is cool, because it could vibrate loose and cause issues, driving issues. If you do an oil change, you want to check your exhaust, everything, pipe hangers, bolts, make sure nothing loose. Because when you have a vacuum leak, it could cause a lot of issues or have you thinking. I'm just sharing this information with people who doesn't know. Okay? It's very important. Check it. Let me flip this bolt around. This exhaust is going to be leak free. Alright, you have leaks in the exhaust, it causes a lot of issues. Okay, it's like if you are plumbing, you got a water leak, you gotta fix it. Because your water is gonna leak and cost you money out of your pocket. The same principle. It costs you money out of your pocket because you have a lot of issues and you're using a lot of fuel. Okay, it's the same principle. I'm just sharing this information with people. Try to make things look easy. Okay, I did a video on these the hardware for this Ford Focus, because everything is aftermarket on it. That's why they don't sell Ford Focus no more, because some of the things that they just don't make. So I'm gonna tighten this down. This is 50mm. The nuts are 50mm, and the bolt, that's from Ace Hardware. Nice and tight. I already cleaned this pipe up, so this gasket should take to the pipe. I use a wire brush. You get a wire brush from Harbor Freight for your drill. Okay? Looks real good. Looks real good. So I'm gonna share this with people who doesn't know. So I'm gonna put the hanger on. You get these hangers from Ford. Alright? Yeah, from Ford. Aftermarket hangers will not work on this vehicle unless you modify the hangers. And eventually, if Ford don't sell it no more, you gotta modify it to make it work. Because some of the hangers is in the frame of the vehicle. It hangs from the frame of the vehicle. Okay? Bring this one in some more. Nice and tight. Alright. Because you can get us at Ultra Copper in your local auto supply store, and you can get the cement. Where's the cover? I'll put some on the outside of the pipe. I'm gonna give myself like cement. Double seal. The cement should take right to the pipe. It's brand new. Okay. Like I said, I cleaned the catalytic converter pipe up. I use a wire brush and sand cloth. You get the sand cloth or sandpaper. Lowe's or Home Depot. So this is like duct work. Okay, when I did industrial duct work for a company I used to work for, we went around with seam sealer and seal all the seams from air escaping. Similar to it. This is like heating and air conditioning. Okay? Just like heating and air conditioning work. The only thing with this, it's on wheels. Alright? cement. I'm sealing the seams up on the outside with the cement. It's like duct sealer when you're doing duct work. And then you seal it. You want no air leaks. Save money. That's what it is about, saving money. Alright, so I'm gonna go wash my hand. And I'm gonna put these 2-inch clamp on. Alright, so I'm using 3 2-inch clamp. These crimp into the pipe. Now if you ever want to remove this pipe, the only way you can do it is drop the hangers and disconnect your 2 bolts from your catalytic converter down there and let it drop, and use a saw with a metal blade and cut it. Alright, that's the easiest way because the pipe is crimped. Okay? The pipe is crimped. Then you gotta get a piece of new pipe, measure it, and fit it. Like say, you know, you want to do all the measurement, you want to dry fit everything. When everything dry fit, like how I do it, you stick and fit. Stick and fit. Okay? Now I'm gonna put the hanger on so you can reinforce the pipe. Alright, I'm gonna go wash my hand. And so this is how this hanger, I'm gonna do one hanger for demonstration. Sits right over that pipe. You gotta work it on there. Sits just like that. Then you start a hanger, and you're gonna pull it down right over the pipe. Alright. Let's push it down a little bit more. Just like that. You can see I'm using 3 hangers. 2 on the connector and 1 where this pipe connect with the catalytic converter. Oh, where's my nut? Yeah, I'm gonna snug it up. Alright. So that's how you do the exhaust pipe work. All right, later.